I think we go straight across. Yeah, it's definitely right there. Yeah, it wasn't a bulldozer. Pretty crazy. This is the hard part. This is gorgeous.
What do you think? I'm Bobby Mom.
All right, just got to the entrance to Baldy Bull Trail. Sign still saying trail closed, but it opened up today, March 21st, 2026. We are 21 minutes in, 794 feet of elevation, about a mile in. We'll keep it going.
I'm kicking it at 140. I've got to be at least 1.5 times that. I mean, my legs feel okay other than that.
Sun came out a few minutes ago.
I know.
I got 1.63 miles, 1,500 feet.
1.62, 1,100 feet.
Keep it going. 2.22 miles, almost 2,000 feet.
I got 2.16 at 1,700 feet.
It's gotta be the ski hut, right? Just about made it to the ski hut. It's here. Good morning. A Twinkie?
Sure, that's a Twinkie.
Absolutely, I do.
You might want it.
I can't remember the last time I had a Twinkie.
I know.
But thank you.
Hey, good morning. Anybody want a donut?
I'll take a half donut. I'll take a half. Okay.
Trav, there's Twinkies. Just left the ski hut. There were some terrific hosts there. Got some goodies. Got a Twinkie, a cinnamon roll, and some bacon. Ah, good hike so far. Now the hard part really begins. I'm in out of the bowl. What a beautiful day. Look at that. Oh, the sun feels good. It's a good day to be out here. I think we go straight across. Yeah, it's definitely right there.
Some sort of a really big big rock. They didn't have a bulldozer up here, that's for sure.
Yeah, it wasn't a bulldozer. Pretty crazy.
So what, you think a rock
Or an avalanche.
There's been a heavy rainstorm.
That's pretty crazy, that whole rut.
Imagine bringing up the wood burning stove.
So as mentioned at the beginning, today is March 21st. The forest order, which closed Baldy and surrounding trails, ended yesterday, the 20th. So it's the first opening day. There's a good amount of people out. The host at the ski hut warned us that across the bowl there's some remaining snow and ice, and just cautioned us to be careful. But it feels good in the sun out here. Told you we're on the trail.
I bet within a couple weeks they got a trail cut through that rut. I'm on this path with the snow. We're at 8,300 feet. So we got limiter.
This is the hard part. When we've been on the hard part, you reckon 10, 15 more minutes?
Yeah.
Been an extra fun little challenge with the snow. I'll tell you what though, we've run into some darn good people. It's been an absolute pleasure.
That's one of them right there.
Sorry, I'm trying not to cramp up.
That's cool. Well, you said you're a darn good person.
Don't make us take it back.
I know what that means.
Made it off the hardest phase of the trek. What a beautiful day. Nothing to complain about. I'm beat. Not gonna lie. This is gorgeous. Upwards we go. Man. 61 degrees. How's it look? It's a pretty sweet little ridge right here. There's that famous Baldy wind. Where does the trail go? Wherever the most footsteps are. I don't know if you can make it out way up there. The summit post is in sight. This is tough going. This part's not easy. Not any easier than everything else, especially after you've already done everything else. And it's chilly up here. Looks like we dropped to 53 degrees. It's windy. My gosh, it's a beautiful day. Alright, we'll see you at the top. We're about to summit Baldy. So darn close. It's right up there. There we are.
There's Silverwood Lake. That little saddle right there, straight into the little shiny thing. Silverwood Lake.
A little windy up here, huh? Head back down. Much less effort, much more impact on the joints. The summit was chilly. It's really windy. That's why they call it Baldy after all. But it's still such a beautiful day. 69 degrees Fahrenheit. Beautiful day. Look at this. Snow is indeed slick. Have to respect it. It's pretty incredible. You can see that gouge there. Started up there. Pretty crazy. Look at what it did. All the way down. Let's get some water. We are almost out of here. This trail, we were coming up in the dark. It's a lot warmer now. The thermometer says 82. I think that's the new max for today. It's a hard trail. Worth doing 100% if you have the ability. I'm stoked that I finally got to summit. Last time I was out here, we were too beat to summit. And I was almost too beat to summit again, but we got her done. It was worth it. did it. I'm beat, boys. See you back at the truck. Good hot day. Alright, let's start the car. Thanks for watching. If you've made it all the way to the end, then chances are pretty good you kind of enjoyed the video. If you kind of enjoyed the video, you might like the extended version. I have it available on my Patreon. My Patreon's actually brand new. The membership's pretty simple. There's only one tier. It's $5 a month. Basically, buy me a cup of coffee, right? So if you like what I got going on at all, just give it a thought. No hard feelings if you don't. If buying coffee ain't your thing, just join for free. We'll be able to chat in real time there and grow this community. Alright, that's it from me, folks. Just remember to get out there. Bye for now.